Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
All right, let's move on to our next exercise, which is going to be a swing and back exercise. We're going to keep in parallel for now. You're going to press through the knee and gather with the palm of your hand in front of you. Now, as I'm pressing, I really want to push back the hip and press through so that I have one bent leg and one straight leg. I also want to think that I'm gathering all of this energy in front of me as I roll through the palms. I've got 4 of those, and on the 5th one, I'm going to swing it round and catch front. So the arm is going through, it twists, and then you plie at the front to catch. We're then going to twist to the side as you curve over 2 bent legs. You then stand, swing front, arms come to 5th. I'll do that with counts for you. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, swing 6, back 7, 8, you go side, you curve, you lift, swing front, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you're going to arch back. So I arch back and then catch the arms in a flat back. I'm then going to curve the middle spine to lift up and squeeze. I'll repeat that again. So our arms are in 5th. You're going to arch through the upper back. I'm then going to catch flat back. I'll face the side so that you can see that. We go upper back, flat back. I'm then going to curve the middle of the spine, middle, up and middle. So I really want to feel the spine moving and my core working in order to hold that. From there, you've then curved at the front. I'm going to peel through both elbows. So I peel back, 2, 3. And on the 3rd one, I plie at the back to then step front. So we've just done our back stretches, our curves and curves. You peel 1, 2, 3. Gather back, 6, 7, 8. We're then back in parallel for the second half where we'll do some tendus. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, arch 5, 6, catch 7, 8. So you want to catch at the front and a nice long arch. I'm going to test how far I can really stretch that tendu on the 3rd one to catch it in front. I'm then going to swing to the side and catch. I switch, do a big round the world, together, come through to do everything on the left. So from our second half, we've just peeled through the elbows, we've gathered at the back, we come through, arms come to 5th. You've got tendu, 3, 4, 5, 6, catch 7, 8, you swing, side, you switch, round the world, back to the front. To press left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, curve, lift, swing, front, 5, 6, 7, 8, you arch, you catch, you press and squeeze. We do elbow, 2, 3, 5, 6, coming back for tendus, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, swing to the side, switch and switch, round the world, back you go. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, and a press. A swing, catch front, side, curve, a lift. Arch back on 1, catch 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3. And tendus, 1, 2, 3, 4. A swing, catch, switch. Left side, press. Swing, run. A side, curve, a lift. 3. Arch back on 1. Curve. 3. Tilt. 2, 3. Tendus, 1. swing, catch a switch, switch, front. Nice, well done. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and a press. A swing, catch, front, side, curve, a lift. Arch back on 1, cat 3, 5, 6, and 7. A 1, 2, a 3. And Tendus, a 1, 2, a 3, 4. A swing, catch, switch. Left side, press. Swing, run. A side, curve, a lift, 3. Arch back on 1. Curve, 3. Tilt, 2, 3. Tendus, a 1. A swing, catch a switch, switch, front. Nice, well done.